The 10 biggest and most luxurious SUVs of 2025. What if you could drive a Fortress on wheels that feels like a private jet? It sounds like a dream, but in 2025, it's a reality. From cutting-edge technology to ultra-luxurious interiors fit for royalty, these full-size luxury SUVs redefine what it means to ride in style. Whether you prioritize power, comfort, or high-tech features, these SUVs offer it all, wrapped in prestige and performance. And trust me, wait until you see number 3, it's not just big, it's a game changer. Let's dive into the top 10 most luxurious and powerful SUVs of 2025. 10. 2025 Chevrolet Suburban, the king of full-size SUVs. The Chevrolet Suburban is an absolute legend, with a legacy stretching back to 1935. Now in its 12th generation, this beast remains one of the most capable, spacious, and well-equipped SUVs on the market. 1. Price, starting at $61,500. 2. Cargo space, 144.5 cubic feet, best in class. 3. Wheelbase, 134 inches for a smooth, stable ride. 4. Infotainment, massive 17.7-inch touchscreen with seamless smartphone integration. 5. Power, up to 495 pound-feet of torque, perfect for towing and off-road adventures. The 2025 Suburban blends rugged durability with modern luxury, making it a top choice for large families, adventurers, and anyone who needs serious cargo space. 9. 2025 Nissan Armada, bold, powerful, and surprisingly high-tech. The Nissan Armada has always been a full-size SUV powerhouse, originally built on the Titan truck platform. This 3-row SUV is designed to dominate the roads with both size and strength. 1. Wheelbase, 123 inches. 2. Power, 5.6 LV8 engine producing 317 HP. 3. Towing capacity, 8,580 pounds, strongest in its class. 4. Technology, 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For 2025, Nissan is taking the Armada into the future, offering a sleek redesign, more tech features, and improved comfort. It remains a favorite for those who want a tough yet refined full-size SUV. 8. 2025 Lexus Lux 700h, a hybrid powerhouse with a rocky start. Lexus is going bold with the 2025 Lux 700h, featuring a new hybrid powertrain designed to improve both fuel efficiency and performance. However, this update comes with some reliability concerns, as Lexus and Toyota have faced multiple recalls related to their new engine platform. 1. Price, $106,800. 2. Engine, hybrid powertrain with improved torque and fuel economy. 3. Tech upgrades, advanced driver assistance systems and luxury-focused features. While the Lux 700h offers a high-tech, fuel-efficient alternative to gas-powered SUVs, buyers might want to wait until Lexus works out the early issues before making the investment. 7. 2025 Jeep Grand Wagoneer, American luxury, redefined. Jeep took a bold step into the luxury SUV world with the Grand Wagoneer, and for 2025, they've boosted performance while keeping the signature rugged yet refined aesthetic. 1. Price, $85,000. 2. Power, 540 HP, 30 HP more than the previous model. 3. Transmission, 8-speed automatic. 4. Wheels, standard 22-inch alloy wheels for a premium look. However, Jeep's parent company Stellantis is facing financial challenges, leading some industry experts to question the long-term future of Jeep's luxury lineup. 6. 2025 Range Rover, British elegance at a hefty price. The Range Rover remains the epitome of British luxury, blending craftsmanship with off-road dominance. 1. Starting price, $110,000. 2. Top model price, $210,000 for the ultra-luxurious P650 SV. 3. Performance, up to 550 HP, with an option for a supercharged V8. 4. Luxury features, quilted leather seats, hidden fridge compartments, and an ultra-quiet cabin. Despite its price tag, the Range Rover remains one of the most capable luxury SUVs, effortlessly tackling 35 inches of water and rough terrains while keeping passengers in absolute comfort. 5. 2025 BMW X7, the ultimate driving machine, now smarter. The BMW X7 is where German engineering meets luxury, and the 2025 model takes things up a notch. 1. Price, starts at $84,000, with high-end trims exceeding $150,000. 2. Powertrain options: xDrive 40i, luxury entry-level trim. M60 performance-focused V8. Alpina XB7630HP Beast for the ultimate driving experience. 3. Luxury features: Swarovski crystal interior accents, massaging heated and cooled seats, and a panoramic LED roof that lights up like a starry night. BMW's i-activated lane change system also debuts in the X7, making it one of the smartest luxury SUVs on the road. 4. 2025 Cadillac Escalade, the king of American luxury SUVs. The Escalade has always been a status symbol, and 2025 takes it to a whole new level. 1. Price: starts at $155,000. 2. Screen size: a mind-blowing 55-inch curved OLED display. 3. Power: the V-Series packs a 6.2L supercharged V8 with 682 HP. 4. Sound system: AKG 36 speaker studio quality system. The 2025 Escalade combines American muscle, cutting-edge tech, and ultra-luxury, making it one of the most powerful and refined SUVs available. 3. 2025 Mercedes GLS, the ultimate tech-filled luxury SUV. The Mercedes GLS is a rolling tech powerhouse, offering features that feel straight out of the future. 1. Price: starts at $90,000, with higher trims exceeding $150,000. 2. Technology: augmented reality navigation, a Burmester 3D sound system, and reclining heated rear seats. 3. Performance: up to 630 HP in the AMG GLS 63. With a dual 12.3-inch display and a fully customizable ambient lighting system, the GLS is a tech lover's dream. 2. 2025 Lincoln Navigator, American power meets high-tech luxury. The 2025 Lincoln Navigator is a strong competitor in the luxury SUV market, offering top-tier comfort and cutting-edge tech at a more affordable price than European rivals. 1. Price: starts at $101,000. 2. Engine: 3.5L twin-turbo V6, 440 HP, 510 pound-feet of torque. 3. Luxury features: 48-inch panoramic screen, black label trim, and exclusive interior themes. It balances power, elegance, and value, making it one of the best all-around luxury SUVs. 1. 2025 Infiniti QX80, the ultimate full-size luxury SUV. Infiniti completely redesigned the QX80 for 2025, delivering a striking new look and enhanced performance. 1. Price: starts at $82,400, with high-end trims exceeding $110,000. 2. Engine: 3.5L twin-turbo V6, 450 HP, 516 pound-feet of torque. 3. Luxury features: premium materials, high-tech infotainment, and a beautifully crafted interior. With its bold new design, improved performance, and unbeatable value, the QX80 redefines the luxury SUV segment. What do you think of this year's most luxurious cars? Which one would you choose? Leave your comment. We would like to know your opinion about these 10 supercars. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next video.